welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. As you can see from the title, you have my top favorites for the month, and we're not talking about the tray. We will talk about the tray in another video, but just my general favorite things that happen maybe within this month, or snacks, or a movie, or a show, or a fragrance, or skincare. Yeah, we're gonna get into my top 5 favorites from this month. So first up, a favorite that I'm only sharing with you all. I'm not your social media girl, let's just say, right? When I am on social media, I normally like repost things, or I might send out happy birthdays to people that are like in my timeline, or, you know, I might click on some likes and all that. I'm not really your big social media person, even though you see me on YouTube. This is something that I just enjoy doing. It's a beautiful hobby. I love talking with my family about something that I love, which is fragrances. Anyway, enough of my ramble. The point, sis. I know, I'm getting to it. So I did not post, this great thing that happened to me in this month. And so I'm bringing it here, and I'm probably not going to post it because it is what it is. But I am excited and very appreciative. I did get a promotion, yay, at my job. And so I am now a senior manager in the field that I work in. I won't tell you all the deets. I mean, if you follow me, you know what I do. But I work in the group setting, in the hospitality setting, let's just say. But I got a promotion to senior manager, which I'm so excited. You all know that I also won manager of the year, and I'm going on this paid expense trip from the company. So I'm so excited. That's coming up soon. But it's just been a fantastic year all the way around. But this new promotion has added the cherry on the top, and it actually is a full circle moment, because I now have a department that I used to be an agent in. I used to work in it, so now I am over it. And I am actually at the level where I had to leave this company, and no push on my own, due to, what happened in 2020. Yeah, COVID. But due to that, I got let go from the company that I am now back with, and I left at that level of executive ship in my career, and now I'm back there. So now it's really great to be a senior manager on the executive team for the company that I work with, and so I'm so excited. Wish me luck. It is definitely a lot of work getting to know more people, more agents, more leaders under my belt, but all in all, I'm loving it. I love that they get to, girl, I'm me. You see me? I am me as a leader. I am me. So they get all of this lovely foolishness in real life. So anyway, so excited. Wanted to come to my family and tell you all that is definitely a favorite that happened this month. So next up, because it's a fragrance channel, let's go to fragrance first, right? Listen, this fragrance, okay? And if you see it again, because it is on my tray and it's on my top 5, we've been here before, okay? And so this is Jordan exclusive. Listen, she been showing out, showing up, showing out, showing out. Listen, family. Okay, like, maybe I'm doubting the collection that I have. Maybe because it's not, on the newest of the new, like fierce. Okay, Mancera comes in through the clutch, and potent, like very strong, but so good and dreamy. I feel like if you like YSL Lead, if you like the original, but maybe you were missing a little bit more fruits. I feel like you would like her, okay? Give her a try. This is so good. And you know what? What I'm going to get better, because everybody kept asking me, what do you have on? Oh my goodness, you smell so good. You smell like a dream. You smell very pleasant. Like compliments galore. And I wasn't gatekeeping, I promise. I just could not think of the name. I was missing Jordan exclusive. Like I could not think of the name. For a lot of times somebody was asking me what fragrance I had. Sorry ahead of time. So I'm going to get better at names. Just in general. I'm bad with names in general, okay? But I'm going to get better with remembering the fragrance and the fragrance maybe combination that I have on, so that when people ask me, I'm not acting like that I'm trying to keep some from them. Like, because I'm really not. I really do be forgetting, okay? But anyway, this was amazing. A great fragrance, especially for this time, this summer. You know, summer is wrapping up, okay? And we got my favorite season of fall coming up. We're going to talk about it. But anyway, this was a hit. I loved it down. Favorite for the month for sure. Next up, you know, I like a good old snack, but I am trying to be a little bit more healthy. I mean, I'm trying to do a little bit better with my snacking, because I do snack quite a bit, and that's why I was getting a lot plumpier. Okay, girl, I went to Walmart, and only if you like cranberries. If you don't like cranberries, bypass this, because you're not gonna like this snack. But if you don't mind cranberries, dry cranberries, this is a sour blueberry lemon. When I say, if you're looking for a candy substitute, something that's sweet and sour, but like doesn't give you candy, you know, gives you the taste of candy, but is not candy. You need Ocean Spray. You need this dry cranberry, sour blueberry lemon. So good. Kid you not. This is like a fruit snack. This is like candy. This is so good. And this has 130 in calories. Now the total sugar. Now it's 28 grams, and then it got to add it 25 grams. We ain't talking about that. Okay, we talk about a snack that I feel it might not be healthy. It's fine, but I feel like I can snack on it. And I've been pretty happy. Very happy. Next up, my fave in facial care. I've been loving it. I've been loving the smell. I've been loving the way it feels. I'm definitely going to get a re-up on a re-up. I'm almost done. The bottle is disgusting, because you all know how I am. I don't listen. I use my product. And I'm a very, I don't want to say heavy-handed, because it's giving a little manly vibes that I'm heavy-handed, but I don't care when I squeeze. Maybe that's the thing. I don't care when I squeeze the product out of the bottle. Anyway, Glow Recipe. That's you see it. Anyway, this is the Avocado Moisturizer Barrier. This is the cleanser, the green one from Glow Recipe. Amazing smell. It feels amazing. It makes my skin feel amazing and refreshed and cleansed as it should be. This is so good. I will be re-upping on the re-up. Don't look at the bottle, because I do this. So that's what I do. Like, if you want to be all proper and do all like that, you do you, and your sisters go do her like that. And that's why it's sprinkled. Either way, this was so good. Very good. I mean, favorite on the favorite, would re-up on the re-up, and wouldn't care. Like, this will always be a part of my cleanser and my morning routine. Period. Next up, I have a skin potion product, and this is Costa del Sol. Okay, this spicy but fruit, but fresh and soft. This is this is soft girl life at its best, okay? And it has passion fruit in it. I know. This is so good. I would highly recommend. I love this. This is such a favorite in the way that it moisturizes my skin, the way that it smells on my skin. I smell it's comfort, it's soft, it's spicy. I wouldn't say sexy, right? It's just soft. It's pleasant. I love her. I love her so much. And so, yes, I would highly recommend you get, because this was definitely favorite for the month, Skin Potion Casa del Sol. And last but certainly not least, listen, a show, a movie. You all know how your sis is. I love a good movie. I love a good show. So my first one that is definitely my favorite, Gilded Age. The show. Have you watched this season of The Gilded Age? Oh, Felicia Rashad is, get your life. Like, go and get you some HBO Max or HBO or whatever. Get the app. Get and watch. Sit down and watch The Gilded Age. This season was chef's kiss. I don't want to get into it and get all to the spice, but I loved it. I enjoyed it. It's so good. So good. I cannot wait until next season. I'm on pins and needles. I'm like, I hate waiting. Like, why do we have to wait for everything? Hurry up, come on. So The Gilded Age, absolutely. And then, whoa. K-pop Demon Hunters. Okay, that's my daughter's favorite. She made me watch it. And also, she made me watch it while she was dancing on the side. So I also got, it was not only a sing-along, it was also a dance show from my child on the side. It was a lot going on, okay? But it's such a cute show. And if you're a parent with, around the 9-year-old or whatever, you're probably watching it too, because I know of parents that are in my life that have watched it, are watching it, and actually enjoy it. So I would highly recommend you go onto Netflix. I think it's coming into theaters for a sing-along. And then my daughter just told me the other day it's going to be a part 2. And Mommy, we got to watch it. Yeah. You tell me when you got a choice. If you're a parent out there and when your child wants to watch something together with you, are you saying no? Oh, okay. So we'll be watching part 2. But the songs are really great. The story is great. Great messaging. Cool. It was cute. I'm making my man watch it because we in this together. He gonna watch it. But let me know if you have watched The Gilded Age. You like it. Oh, I love that show. And then, did you have to watch, or have you watched? Maybe you wanted to enjoy it yourself. K-pop Demon Hunters. Okay, both good, great, and so. Those are my favorite family, okay? So what have been your favorites from snacks, from movies, from shows, from fragrances, skincare? What has been your favorite for this season of August? I would love to know, okay? Well, family, make sure that you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.